Hello Animesh, welcome to the tutorial that is requested by you, that is on email account security. So first of all, let's have a look on the security that is followed by Google. Whenever we create an account on Google, our password gets stored in Google's database in form of hashes, which cannot be decrypted to clear text by any means. So because of this, any hacker or attacker cannot gain your password directly by hacking into Google's database server. It's not possible at all to gain password just by having email ID. So your hacked account is just a result of social engineering performed on you, either computer based or human based. So a little awareness can help you out securing your email account, and this tutorial is all about securing your email account. Okay, now let's have a look on some common attacks on email. The very first one is email forgery, or you can call it anonymous mail. It is an email based attack when an attacker can use your email ID to send email to any third person without even using your password, which can lead to some dangerous consequences. For example, abusing mail to someone from your email ID can cause a big problem for you. Now, second one is phishing. It is one of the method of computer based social engineering where an attacker creates a similar looking login page as that of Gmail and send that page to you by some tricky methods. And when you anyhow log into that page, your username and password is sent to the attacker, which can be very dangerous for you. Now next one is keylogger. It's very simple but yet a dangerous attack. Keylogger are the software and sometimes hardware which when installed in a computer, it record every keystroke that you press in some text file in clear text, which can be used to get your username and password. Let us suppose I am having a personal laptop and in that I have installed a local keylogger. Now whenever my friend comes to use his Facebook account in my computer, I allow him to do so. Now whenever he log into his account, he type his username, he type his password and use his account. Now after some time, I just open that log file, or you can say text file, which is created by local keylogger, and I can see whatever he has typed, and I can take out his username and password from that particular text file. Now what is a remote keylogger? Let us suppose I anyhow get access to your computer, a physical access, and I just installed a remote keylogger into your computer. Now whenever you type something in your computer, the remote keylogger will create a log file and it will just mail to my email ID, and I can read that log file whenever I want, and it can contain your username and password. Now the main thing that you have asked in this tutorial is how to secure your email account. So these are some awareness key points. If you remember these key points, you'll be able to secure your email account, and we are pretty sure that your account will not be hacked by someone. So let's have a look on them. The very first one is setup and secondary email address. Now let's have a look on that. Now as you can see, this is a Gmail login page and my username is already over there, that is expanotechnologies@gmail.com, and there is a password field. I'm typing my password to get access to my account, and you can see I got the access. Now here at the top right corner we are having an image like this one. Just click on that image and there is an option account. Just click on that account option. Now after that we will be having a new window on our screen, and there is a option naming security. Just click on that security option and we'll be having various security things over there. Now here on the security tab we are having an option of recovery email. Now you can just click on edit. Now you will be having a new window on your screen, and here is an option to edit your recovery mail. Now you can click on edit and you can type in any alternate email ID that you have. Now What is the use of this alternate email ID? Let us suppose in case your account got hacked by any attacker. In that case, what you can do, you can recover your account using this alternate email ID. Now, what is the use of this recovery email address? Let us suppose your account got hacked by some attacker by any mean. Now, what you can do in that case, you can just recover your email address by using this alternate email ID. You can just tell Google that this is my alternate email ID, and Google will send you a password reset link on this particular email ID, and you will be able to reset your password and you will be getting your access to your account. So this is one of the main thing that you can do to secure your email account. Next thing is, never do remember password on your user account. This is very major point. Let me show you. Let us sign it out and log in it again. Now you can see again I am on the login screen and username is already over there. I am just trying to log in my Gmail. Now you can see this thing. My browser is asking me that do you want to remember the password of this particular email ID on Gmail or google.com. Now if I click on remember password, the password will be stored in my browser. Now let's say my friend comes to my computer and try to open my browser, then if he try to find out my password, he'll be easily able to get my password of this particular email ID. So we should not click on remember password because this can lead to a hacked account. Now next thing is, never leave signed in email account. This is, for example, let's say I am using my friend's laptop and I log in into my account, and after using my account I didn't signed out from the account and left the computer. In my absence, my friend can make use of my account because it is already logged in his computer, and he can even spy on me. He can just check all my mails. He can do anything he wants with that account, and that could be very dangerous for me. Now next thing is, keep your password strong. A strong password is which is consist of uppercase letter, small case letter, symbolic characters, numbers. If you have all these things into your password and your password length should be around 16, then you will be having a strong password and it will be very difficult for a hacker to guess your password. Is never click on suspicious link and stay away from phishing. That means whenever you see a suspicious link into an email saying to click and log in or whatever, you should not click on that suspicious link, because that link can be of a phishing page, and whenever you try to log in into that phishing page, your username and password is sent to the attacker, which can again be a big problem for you guys. Next thing, always use your account on your personal computer, because there is a possibility that your friend have keylogger installed in his computer, and whenever you will leave that particular computer, your friend can take out the password from the log file that is created by keylogger. Now next thing, do not reveal your password to anyone, not even to your girlfriend or boyfriend, because this can lead to account compromisation.